Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of our Wednesday Affiliate Marketing FAQ series. My name is Frank Chanda, the owner of thewefyacademy.com, and today we are tackling a hot topics that many of you have been asking about. Can affiliate marketing be done without a website? Yes, it can, but how? Although I'm asking this question, but I highly recommend having a website. One of the benefits of having a website is instantly boost your credibility. A well-designed website with valuable content helps establish you as an authority in your niche. People are more likely to trust recommendations from a professional looking site than from a random social media post. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, but you don't want to build a website, maybe it seems too complicated, or you just want to dip your toes into the water first, no worries. There are actually several active ways to do affiliate marketing without a website. Let's dive into the few of them. First up, we have social media platform. You can leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter to promote your affiliate product. And create engaging content that resonates with your audience and include your affiliate links. Remember, the key is to provide value and build trust with your followers. Next, let's talk about YouTube. Just like I'm doing right now, you can create video content that review products, share tutorials, or provide valuable information related to your niche. In the discussion box, include your affiliate links. YouTube is a powerful platform because video can go viral and have a long shelf life. Another great method is email marketing. Build an email list by offering a freebie or valuable content in exchange of email addresses. Then you can send them a regular newsletters or promotional emails that include your affiliate links. The personal touch of email marketing often leads to the higher conversion rate. You can use GetResponse or Aweber to help you with your email marketing. Don't forget about forums and online communities. Join relevant forums and engage genuinely with the community. Offer helpful advice and include your affiliate links where appropriate. Websites like Reddit or niche-specific forum can be a gold mine for traffic if you use them correctly. You can also use online classified ads. Websites like Gracelist or Gantry allow you to post ads for products, and you can include your affiliate link in those. Make sure you add a compelling and clean about the benefit of the product. Although I find this as an old method, it will be a hassle to make sale because affiliate marketing is about providing value to the product and services that you are promoting. So as you can see, you don't need a website to start with affiliate marketing. Social media, YouTube, email marketing, forums, and classified ads are all viable alternatives. The key is to find the platform that works better for you and focus on providing value to your audience. Now, if you are serious about getting started with affiliate marketing and want step-by-step guidance, I highly recommend checking out my free 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp. You can find the link in the discussion box to sign up and start your journey to earn affiliate commission. Trust me, it's worth it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a update. Drop any question if you have in the comment section, and I will see you next Wednesday for another affiliate marketing FAQ.